welcome back to another episode of Clothes. The Halloween is coming, so have you decided what to wear on Halloween? This year I don't have a big plan for myself because I'm not a fan of costume. I just feel it's a waste of fabric. A lot of people make costume. They only wear it once. I think it's not very environmental friendly, so I'm not a big fan of making costumes. Chloe, my daughter, wants to be Cleopatra this year, and I have been procrastinating about making the costume. It's just, I always think that for the costume, you wear it once and you waste fabric and you create a lot of waste for this planet. So I'm not really into costumes. I don't know what you guys think. But anyway, Chloe wants to be Cleopatra this year, and I happen to have this fabric, this gold fabric from some old projects. So I'm just going to, I think my plan is making a robe for her. Actually, Chloe's here. Let's invite her in.
Hi!
Welcome back to our sewing channel, Clothes. Today,
to make me my Cleopatra costume. Since it's almost Halloween, we need to make it right now.
so at Chloe's school, there is an event. What event it is, honey?
It is called Spooky Spaghetti,
Spooky
where
Spaghetti.
you can have school, but you actually dress up. It's not really school, it's after.
Yeah, it's like a party.
Mhm.
It's like a Halloween party, I think.
Yeah.
So you guys are supposed to dress up. So what do you want to be this year?
I want to be Cleopatra, and that's why my mom got my fabric.
I'm just going to make you a gold robe, like a Greek robe, right? So yeah, maybe I think I need an old shirt of yours, right? It's gonna be pretty. Look at this, it's gold. So because Chloe has this bang, you know, I cut her hair. So my plan is make a gold long robe, like a Greek style robe, and then I'm gonna use the fabric scraps to braid her hair, just like Elizabeth Taylor on Cleopatra. Hope we can achieve it. Fingers
Crossed.
Fingers crossed. Let's go to making the robe. So I'm not going to make a pattern. I'm just going to refer to this shirt that she has. I'm just going to make a very simple robe. So hope it looks good. Here is what I'm doing. I fold the fabric and I put it on my table, and I lay a piece of Chloe's t-shirt on the fabric. I'm going to just simply mark the pattern, the basic pattern on this piece of fabric, and then I'll work on the fabric. Based on this short sleeve shirt, I marked the shoulder points, the necklines, the chest line here. So I'm just going to, so this is going to be a simple robe. It's like an A-shaped robe. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, because I already know how long the ropes are, so it's gonna be 42 inches. It's going to be a full length, like a gown, full length gown, so it's 42 inches. And next, I'm just going to start from the chest line. It's gonna be a A shape. So I'm just going to simply draw a long line, like an A-shaped line, to the bottom. Now I quickly draw a simple pattern on one side of the fabric, and I'm going to fold the fabric and I'm going to cut them. So now I fold the fabric again, and I'm just going to cut the pattern out of the fabric. So now I've cut the fabric. Let's open the fabric to see what we get. So this is just improvised making. I just have something in my mind, so I don't really have a pattern, so I just cut as I go. I have this robe in mind, kind of like the arm shoulder is a little bit like covered, and a little bit of draped neckline and a long robe. I think this fabric is pretty enough, so I think no matter what, it's gonna be very nice. So let's open it and see what it looks like. So if I open it, it's like this. You can see the shape, kind of like the shape. So this is an A line. It's like a evening gown. And here, so I only cut a little bit of the neckline. So this neckline, so this is way too wide for Chloe. So when I sew the shoulder strap, it's gonna drape. So that's the kind of thing that I have in mind. So that's how it looks like. If I can lift it up, you can take a look. So it's just I'll let the fabric to do the talking because the fabric is pretty enough. So the simpler the pattern, the better. That's what I think. So here, I have 2 patterns. Since she's a little girl, so I don't need to differentiate the front pattern and the back pattern. So it's just like this. It has a little bit of waistline though. 2 pieces. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to sew them together. I'm going to sew the shoulder lines together, and I'm gonna sew the side line. I will leave a slit because I think, you know, if I sew all the way down, probably it's gonna be hard to walk. So I'm gonna leave a slit somewhere, and I'm gonna sew it, and I'm gonna let Chloe try it on and see what improvements I need. We're on camera right now, so now I'm going to use my serger to sew the shoulder lines and the side seams. So I just finished the seam, and now I'm going to sew the side seams. So now basically I'm finished sewing this dress. I mean, as a costume. I don't know how it looked like, but here you go. Let's invite our model for a fit. So now, let's take a look.
It's finished.
Now it's finished. Can you swoop down a little bit, sweetie?
Ooh.
Yeah, so this is the Chloe's Cleopatra costume, basically done. So because I don't have enough fabric, so this is the best thing I can do. Ideally, this part's supposed to be draped neckline. Now it's like a neckline, high neckline. But this will do, right? Mm-hmm. And can you see this sleeve? It's like kind of like this. Mm-hmm. Drape a little bit.
Mom, I'm going.
Okay, bye! And let's see the back. The back is the same thing. So this is the costume. And next, we're going to do Chloe's makeup. Let's make her look like a real Cleopatra, okay? I'm gonna do your hair. Do you want me to do your hair? And
Mama, can we keep this here so it looks like Cleopatra with the
okay.
that's here?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
But we need a different thing instead of rainbow because then I don't really look like Cleopatra.
Rainbow is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Can you sit down?
Yes. And the top is really good.
It's good?
I should
Comfortable?
keep my necklace out.
No, just put it in.
Okay.
Don't stretch it.
But then there's a giant heart here.
Yeah, so if a brick robe, this should be draped, but I don't have enough fabric, so it's like kind of like this.
Great.
And good thing you're skinny, otherwise it cannot fit you. So this is really a simple project to do. So you just cut the fabric. Actually, you can cut a rectangle as well. Just cut a piece of fabric and sew the shoulder line. See, shoulder lines. Neck opening as wider the better. So if I had enough fabric, I should just do a rectangle pattern instead of the shaped, because you can have a belt at the waistline, and so 2 shoulder lines and 2 side lines, and with a slit. And that's it. That's a simple costume. That's a very simple costume, and you can make it in 15 minutes. I hope you like this video, and this gives you some inspiration for making your last minute quick costume. And next, I'm going to do Chloe's makeup. So also I'm going to use the remaining fabric to cut some stripes for Chloe's hair. So yeah, I'll do that, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, now Chloe has her costume on, and we are going to do her hair before I do her makeup. So I cut a lot of these gold stripes to make the Cleopatra's hair.
So right now my mom's doing my hair and my bangs are not doing well. So I think I should have bangs.
Yes, you need bands. Cleopatra, the bands. Yeah, maybe I'll just cut a little bit later.
No.
Okay, a little bit. Let's do the hair first. So, you look like Cleopatra already. Okay, so now let's try. Okay, let's just try. Try one first.
I am Cleopatra, and you shall bow down. Huh? Mom, how about you just leave my bangs alone and let them grow on the side, because my shortest bangs can take over. Right? I mean, it's not that bad, right? Maybe I have to look like Cleopatra every
You know what?
day.
Can I have these? Can you open these for me?
No.
Because I need them. I kind of need them.
No, you need those.
Or this is not secure enough.
It's fine, Mom. Why don't you just use this?
It's too big.
Please.
Ooh, look good already.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
only three
three of them.
on
Look,
one side.
does it look good?
Yeah, look pretty.
Okay, let's keep doing it.
I can do this side.
I'm going to stop my camera because my camera is gonna run out of battery. So I'll show you guys later after I've done all of the braids. So now we've done Chloe's hair. Look, and this is how our Cleopatra looks like. Face it to the camera. And can you stand up? Wow! Stand up on the chair, please.
Okay. I just need to wear a mask though. I don't think I should wear this gold thing.
Okay, can you
It's not done.
a little bit down?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you stand over there on that thing over there so the camera can pick you up?
Ready to show you everything. Our creation.
Oh, can you
A little lower.
a little lower? A little more lower? Oh yeah. Good, good, good. The next thing we need to do is to do your makeup. Okay, let's do makeup. Do you want to do makeup? A little bit? Just like that? Okay, now we got our makeup. We're gonna do the makeup. Yay! I'm using this Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette.
And she's going to be using this
From
blue.
Becca. Let's see if there's blue. This is the only eyeshadow that I have with blue color. So we're gonna use this blue for Chloe's eyeshadow. And I'll use black eyeliner. I'll be using this black eyeliner. Yay, so excited! And maybe a little bit of eyes. Let's see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Don't move. No moving, okay?
Okay, I'll hold my head.
No, you don't need to hold your head like that. So I am applying this Becca, this Midnight Sapphire. So Cleopatra, I think her eyeshadow is like a turquoise blue, but we don't have the color, so I'm just going to use this. It appears more purple on camera than blue, but it's really blue, right? Let me see. Oh, close your eyes. This is so much fun. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Too dark eye.
Yes, that's Cleopatra.
I'm black eye girl.
Look at the camera.
It's big black eyes, guys. Oh my god.
This is Cleopatra. You look like her, Cleopatra. So now, next I'm going to apply the eyeliner. So eyeliner is kind of like the symbolic, the look. The eyeliner. Cleopatra has this very bold eyeliners. It's yeah. Let's try it. Don't do that. No. Open your eyes, please. Okay, this is weird. Okay, can we? Where's my phone?
Please, we should I'm gonna go clean my hands. Oh yeah.
I need to find a picture.
Oh, smart.
Okay, this is what it looked like. Come here.
Hey, that's not like me at all.
Stay stable. Look your eyes up.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You made my eye much blacker.
Don't move.
I'm not. That big?
Look. Look. Oh my goodness. I need a tissue. Can you get a
Ouch.
Q-tip for me? Q-tip.
Q-tip.
Sure. Well, it's harder than I expected because I don't know how people do makeups for other people. It just feels so difficult.
I look so weird.
You look like Cleopatra. That's it. Don't move, okay? If you move, I can't do it.
So don't talk.
Look down, please. What? What's happening with your eyes? Your eyes are not cooperating. You need to open your eyes. Open it. Right? Look. Yeah, right.
I still look. Wait, turn on the phone. Show me what Cleopatra looks like. I still look like her, do I?
Pretty good, right? Look at the camera. This is our Cleopatra. That's Cleopatra Elizabeth Taylor. Yay! Okay, I'm going to add more eyeshadow on your eyelid. Okay, close your eyes. Maybe we should get some paint instead of the eyeshadow.
Why paint? Paint is weird. You know you don't paint on girls.
You look so good! Let me see. Okay, maybe you need some
You know, I don't need bangs.
Let me see. Look at mommy. You look so good. Let's go. I'm going to apply some lipsticks on her, and we'll go outside and take some pictures. It's getting dark. Hope it still look good. I'll see you guys later. We'll see you guys later. So yeah, that's how we. So guys, do you like our Cleopatra? Do you like our Cleopatra? So this is quickly made the costume, the makeup, the hair. So now it's getting dark, really dark. Going outside to take some pictures. Hopefully it's good. How do you like it?
It's perfect for me.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
Bye! Happy Halloween!
Bye! And hope you subscribe and press that notification bell. Please put a comment down below. Bye!
Bye! See you!